Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Play Store and OS versions so changes match supported behavior. Once done, confirm you're enrolled in the app beta and backup app data to avoid data loss. Make sure Wi-Fi is stable and battery is above 20%, then clear Play Store cache. Settings: right arrow apps, right arrow Google Play Store, right arrow storage, right arrow clear cache. This first set of steps resets local state and prevents interrupted downloads or mismatched signing that commonly break beta access. Next, you'll perform deeper corrections to eliminate corrupted tokens or stale APK metadata. Force stop both Play Store and Play services, then clear cache and storage for each to remove bad session data. Once done, remove your Google account and re-add it to refresh authentication. This often fixes permission and enrollment flags. If the Play Store still misbehaves, uninstall Play Store updates to restore a stable base version, then reboot the device to let services reinitialize cleanly. Finally, rejoin the beta from the app's Play Store listing. If already enrolled, leave then rejoin to force a server-side refresh. Install or update the beta and verify the app launches and updates normally. Make sure Play confirms the correct signing certificate. If you still encounter errors, collect Play Store logs or use a DB logcat, then either sideload the stable APK as a temporary workaround or contact the developer with logs. One key tip: double-check account, sync, and restart the device before.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.